Number 10. The Longines HYDROCONQUEST GMT represents a confident evolution of the brand's iconic dive watch, blending professional-grade robustness with the added practicality of a second time zone. Crafted with a strong yet refined stainless steel case, it features a unidirectional ceramic bezel that enhances durability while maintaining a sleek, modern appearance suitable for both underwater use and everyday wear. The dial is clean and highly legible, with applied hour markers and bold hands filled with luminous material to ensure clear visibility in low-light conditions, whether deep underwater or during nighttime travel. The standout GMT function is seamlessly integrated, allowing the wearer to track a second time zone through an additional hand and a thoughtfully designed 24-hour scale, making the watch especially appealing to frequent travelers and professionals. Inside, a precise automatic movement delivers reliable performance, a smooth power reserve, and consistent accuracy, reflecting Longines' long-standing watchmaking expertise. With its solid screw-down crown, secure caseback, and impressive water resistance, the HYDROCONQUEST GMT stays true to its diving heritage while offering enhanced versatility. The bracelet and clasp are engineered for comfort and security, completing a timepiece that feels equally at home in demanding environments and refined settings, striking a balance between sportiness, elegance, and everyday practicality. Number 9. The Longines Legend. Diver Bronze is a striking reinterpretation of a historic dive watch, combining vintage character with modern craftsmanship in a way that feels both bold and refined. Its bronze case immediately sets it apart, developing a unique patina over time that gives each watch a personal, lived-in character while enhancing its warm, nostalgic appeal. The clean, symmetrical dial design stays true to the original skin diver aesthetic, offering excellent legibility with luminous hour markers and hands that stand out clearly against the dark background. A signature feature of this model is the internal rotating bezel, operated through a second crown, allowing precise timing while preserving a sleek and uncluttered profile. Inside, a reliable automatic movement ensures smooth performance, strong accuracy, and dependable power for daily wear. The solid construction, secure crowns, and impressive water resistance reinforce its true dive watch credentials, while the overall proportions make it comfortable on the wrist for extended use. Balancing heritage design with contemporary reliability, the Longines Legend Diver Bronze feels equally suited to underwater adventures and everyday style, making it a distinctive choice for those who appreciate timeless design with a touch of individuality. Number 8. The Longines Spirit Pilot. 38mm captures the essence of classic aviation watches while refining it for modern wear with balanced proportions and understated elegance. Designed with a compact stainless steel case, it offers a versatile size that sits comfortably on the wrist, making it suitable for everyday use without losing its strong tool watch presence. The dial is crisp and highly legible, featuring bold Arabic numerals, diamond-shaped hour markers, and generously loomed hands that ensure excellent readability in all lighting conditions. A clean layout and subtle detailing reflect its pilot watch heritage, while the applied elements add depth and a premium feel. Inside, a high-precision automatic movement delivers smooth performance, strong accuracy, and a reassuring power reserve, emphasizing reliability as a core strength of the watch. The robust construction, secure crown, and solid caseback contribute to its durability, while the overall design maintains a refined, vintage-inspired character rather than an aggressive look. Blending aviation history with modern engineering, the Longines Spirit Pilot 38mm stands as a well-balanced timepiece that offers everyday practicality, timeless design, and dependable performance in a compact and elegant form. Number 7. The Longines Ultra Chron Diver is a bold and technically impressive dive watch that revives a historic name while showcasing modern innovation and performance. Its robust stainless steel case features a distinctive cushion shape that gives the watch a strong presence on the wrist while maintaining excellent comfort and balance. The unidirectional bezel is cleanly designed for precise timing, complementing a highly legible dial with bold hour markers and hands filled with luminous material material to ensure clarity in dark or underwater conditions. What truly sets this model apart is its high-frequency automatic movement, engineered to deliver exceptional accuracy and stability, reflecting Longines' long-standing expertise in precision timekeeping. The solid construction, secure crown, and strong water resistance reinforce its professional dive credentials, while the refined finishing keeps it suitable for everyday wear. Blending vintage inspiration with advanced mechanics, the Longines Ultrachron Diver stands out as a serious tool watch that offers reliability, distinctive design, and a strong connection to Longines' heritage of high-performance sports watches. Number 6, the Longines Master Small Seconds 38.5mm is a refined expression of traditional watchmaking, designed for those who appreciate understated elegance and classical balance. Its stainless steel case features smooth lines and polished surfaces that give the watch a timeless and sophisticated presence on the wrist, while the 38.5mm size offers a perfect middle ground between modern wearability and classic proportions. The dial is beautifully composed, highlighted by a dedicated small second subdial that adds depth and visual harmony without disrupting the clean layout. Elegant hour markers and slender hands enhance readability while reinforcing the watch's dress-oriented character. Inside, a finely tuned automatic movement provides reliable accuracy, smooth operation, and a generous power reserve, reflecting Longines' commitment to precision and mechanical excellence. The overall construction feels solid yet refined, making it comfortable for extended wear in formal or professional settings. With its calm design, balanced proportions, and traditional complications, the Longines Master Small Seconds 38.5mm delivers a timeless aesthetic that effortlessly blends heritage craftsmanship with modern reliability. Number 5. The Longines Conquest 5HP GMT is a technically advanced timepiece that focuses on extreme precision while maintaining a clean, sporty, and modern design. Built with a strong stainless steel case, it has a confident presence on the wrist that reflects its performance-oriented nature without feeling excessive. The dial is sharp and highly legible, featuring clear hour markers, bold hands, and a discreetly integrated GMT display that allows the wearer to track a second time zone with ease. What truly defines this watch is its ultra-precise quartz movement, engineered to deliver exceptional accuracy far beyond standard quartz timekeeping, ensuring consistent performance over long periods. The intelligent movement design also enhances reliability, automatically correcting the hands after impacts or magnetic exposure. With its robust construction, secure crown, and impressive water resistance, the Conquest 5HP GMT is well suited for travel, daily wear, and active lifestyles. Blending cutting-edge precision with practical functionality, this watch stands out as a dependable and modern companion for those who value accuracy, durability, and effortless usability in a refined sporty package. Number 4, the Longines Presence Automatic is a classic dress watch that embodies timeless elegance through simplicity, balance, and refined detailing. Its slim stainless steel case is designed to sit comfortably on the wrist, offering a discreet and sophisticated profile that pairs effortlessly with formal and professional attire. The dial is clean and uncluttered, featuring elegant hour markers and slender hands that create a calm, harmonious look while ensuring easy readability. Subtle design elements add a sense of depth without distracting from the watch's understated character. Inside, a reliable automatic movement delivers smooth operation, consistent accuracy, and dependable performance for everyday use, reflecting Longines' long-standing watchmaking heritage. The overall construction emphasizes comfort and refinement rather than ruggedness, making it ideal for those who appreciate classic styling over bold statements. With its restrained design, traditional proportions, and mechanical reliability, the Longines Presence Automatic stands as a graceful. Number 3, the Longines Master Collection Moonphase is a refined and elegant timepiece that showcases the brand's dedication to traditional watchmaking and classical complications. Its stainless steel case is beautifully proportioned, offering a balanced presence on the wrist that feels both sophisticated and comfortable for everyday wear. The dial is thoughtfully designed, featuring a graceful moonphase display that adds a poetic and timeless character, complemented by clean hour markers and finely shaped hands that enhance legibility without overwhelming the layout. Subtle detailing and a smooth finish give the watch a sense of depth and visual harmony, while the overall design remains calm and uncluttered. Inside, a high-quality automatic movement powers the moonphase complication with reliable accuracy and smooth performance, reflecting Longines' commitment to mechanical excellence. The solid construction and refined proportions make it suitable for formal occasions as well as refined daily use. Blending artistry with precision, the Longines Master Collection moonphase stands as a timeless expression of elegance, tradition, and understated luxury. Number 2. The Longines Spirit Zulu Time GMT is a modern pilot's watch that blends historic aviation inspiration with contemporary performance and refined design. Its robust stainless steel case gives the watch a confident, tool-ready presence, while remaining well-balanced and comfortable on the wrist. The dial is clean and highly legible, featuring bold numerals, clear minute markings, and generously loomed hands that ensure excellent visibility in all lighting conditions. The GMT function is seamlessly integrated through an additional hand and a 24-hour scale, allowing the wearer to track a second time zone with clarity and ease, making it especially practical for frequent travelers. Inside, a high-precision automatic movement delivers strong accuracy, smooth operation, and a dependable power reserve, reinforcing the watch's reputation for reliability. Solid construction, a secure crown, and impressive durability highlight its professional credentials, while refined finishing keeps it versatile enough for everyday wear. Combining functionality, heritage, and modern engineering, the Longines Spirit Zulu Time GMT stands out as a capable and stylish companion for those who value precision, travel functionality, and timeless aviation-inspired design. Number 1. The Longines Dolce Vita Mini Dual Tone is a graceful and elegant timepiece that perfectly embodies the brand's dedication to refined, feminine design. Its petite rectangular case offers a delicate yet confident presence on the wrist, making it ideal for those who appreciate sophistication in a compact form. The dual-tone finish, blending stainless steel with warm gold accents, adds a touch of luxury and visual contrast that enhances its stylish appeal without overwhelming the design. The dial is simple and clean, featuring slender hands and subtle hour marker that create an understated, timeless look while ensuring legibility. Inside, a reliable quartz movement delivers accurate and hassle-free performance, reflecting Longines' commitment to precision in a practical, everyday package. With its elegant proportions, polished finishing, and harmonious design, the Dolce Vita Mini Dual Tone stands as a versatile accessory that complements both casual and formal attire, offering a blend of classic charm, modern refinement, and enduring style.